So we got a babysitter last night, and Boston decides he's such a big boy and rips his tooth out.
Let me see.
And then Olivia decides she's still a toddler and is losing her teeth still.
Olivia lost her.
That was a joke. Okay, that was a joke, and it was a bad joke. And let me tell you what I was thinking. Basically, kids' teeth their entire life, like toddlers, infants, up until even
lady, although
teenagers.
She lost her teeth all at like the exact same time, and then she was like.
This is kind of becoming our standard. We stop and get tools and water the lawn, what lawn there is. We don't really have any updates for everybody because what we've been doing you just can't really see. We've been doing the basement. All right, I'll go walk through. You find the tools. Oh, are there lights to be plugged in? Well, I still hate coming down these stairs. Ooh, ooh, I see a light. I'm assuming it's these blue circles. Yeah, that's all lights. Oh, cool. So this is where canned lights will be. That's a lot. I mean, that's a lot of lighting down here. That's so great, Joel. There's one in the bedroom. Oh, this is kind of cool. Okay, so in the shower, you can see the plumbing fixtures here. There's an outlet, there's a light switch, and there's a light up here. Cool. I have a question. How come there's a light, but it's like not centered in the room?
Because there's two.
How come?
Because it's 2-1. Because of this, you're gonna cast a ton of shadow in this room, and I don't want that closet seen that way, so we did 2 here. So I did 2 here, so there'll be 2 fixtures here.
I only have one light for this room.
And so what I thought we would probably do is either take the one from that room and put it in here so there's double, and get one for that one, even if it's different, or see what's we've got up there. We need to, I could change it always, but.
Why didn't you call me?
Well, because yesterday I realized, oh, we're limited on fixtures, but in my mind when I was doing it, I was thinking casting proper light. So.
We're gonna continue that conversation a little later. If you can tell, there is a haze and like a smog outside. You can see it a little more right here. Typically, the mountains are just super crisp. You can barely even see the outline of the mountains back there. What is it from, Joel?
They say it's from smoke from all the California fires that settles up in here.
Really?
That's what Bree said.
Wow. Last time I'll show you. It just seems so different out here. Like it just feels.
Maybe it's the.
What's the word I'm looking for? Like what's a mystical kind of word?
COVID air. Into the Mystic. By Van Morrison. That's a great song.
Into the mystic COVID air.
I walked in my mom's house and I got all excited the way I always do when you come back home. And I was like, where's my camera? I need to vlog all this. Oops, yep, pick it up. How did this accidentally falling? Help me pick it up. You do that end, I'll do this end. The house smells so good and I forgot my mom was doing salsa. Your hair is so cute.
I look like I've been doing salsa.
Yes. Are you finished?
Yes.
You put carrots in it.
Except for yours.
Aww.
Except for you.
Thanks. Did we usually put carrots in it?
I do.
Is that in the recipe in the cookbook? Oh, okay. Oh, it's optional. Okay. Well, I know I've made it in the past. Okay, I made it once in the past. And I was expecting Olivia. And I got so tired. And I thought, oh, this is gonna simmer and I'll come stir it in a minute. And then I fell asleep. And it charred to the bottom. And I scraped it, like stirred it anyway. It was the best salsa because it had like the smokiest flavor. Yeah, it was really good. Anyway, and it lasted me basically until right now. I'm pretty sure I still have some jars downstairs, like maybe 1 or 2. And so literally I need more. So Mom, thank you for doing those. Did you make a video? Okay, well, people, if you want the video, I'll link it below. Cody ran outside to show Grandma his flip routine. Oh my gosh, that was cool! Good one. was really cool, actually.
I would have made a great person in the cookbook.
She said, see, you should have put us in the cookbook, and we laughed because we were being so selfish. And we were like, where do we draw the line? So we said, no grandkids. And then we thought, well, we can't have the book and not have any grandkids in it. And so we stuck them on the back cover. And they were just happy. This is what we had when we were little.
What?
We cut up the peaches and Grandma said, how should we eat it? Should we pour milk on it? Should we, you know, put it in separate bowls? And the kids were like, ice cream? Put it in ice cream. We came down here today because Joel is helping my dad put a, what is this even called, Joel?
A gooseneck.
A gooseneck hitch. They're going to put it in here. He's making a video with my dad to go on his, what, today's task channel.
Darn right.
So if you would like to see how they put a hitch in, feel free to go on over and watch it. If you thought Joel was done, you would be dead wrong. We got home and Joel was like, this is the perfect time to mow the lawn. He was like, come on kids, let's go out and do the lawn. They're clearly not doing their chores right now. They are obsessing over the dog. You would think that we didn't see the dog for like a week straight the way she's behaving. Look at her, she is attacking the kids. Do I still have to hand feed you in order to get you to eat your dinner? This is your last bite. Oh, we gotta get the bell pepper on there because bell peppers have lots of vitamin C. I've heard they have more vitamin C. Oh, dang it, I'm losing all the goods on my fork. Is that silly? It has more vitamin C than an orange, so I hear. So what do you do at school when you're having a snack? And did you make your teacher feed you since you won't eat on your own?
I never get lunch.
Snacks?
I never do.
Oh my gosh. Do you know who else I still have to feed? Boston. It's true. Take a bite.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Take a bite. Because he sits there and he won't open your mouth and take this bite. Thank you. You didn't eat your lunch today. Grandma got us burger bar, which if you're in the right...
I ate my fry.
No, you didn't. No, he didn't.
Yes, I
He did not
did.
take one bite of his hamburger. He ate his shake, and you had like maybe 2 fries.
No, I ate a lot.
What did you find in Grandma's cupboard?
Like candy.
A super old Grandpa was like, were you in my basement? He's like, where did you find that? Like, were you in the Christmas decorations? Where did you find it?
Where's the trail mix? What?
So Grandpa's all, so you took the trail mix and left the trail mix and took the candy cane. He's like, well, yeah, duh. Okay, last bite. Last bite, last bite. Last bite, last bite. Go get a pull-up on. Run, 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 run. Like he's not playing for the camera. He's literally the worst. He laughs at you and he's all, I hated getting up to grab the camera because Jill and I have been sitting here on the couch strategizing.
Big plans.
We're strategizing. No, we're dreaming. We're just like, okay, if we could have whatever we wanted, what would it be? And then it's like, okay.
Orange creamsicle right now.
You just made me blow snot out of my nose.
Beto's burrito.
Joel wants food and I'm saying that I don't need any and he's like, I don't want to eat if you don't eat. Stop pulling that face.
That's my Beto's face.
We're just like thinking and talking and...
The thing is we're not just dreaming. We're not just saying like, oh, what if we did this? What if we did this?
I mean, kind of.
Well, no, but we're like, okay, how do we get from point A to point B, and that's what we're figuring out is the nitty gritty in
well,
between.
And it is like, what do we do after this house? Like when we flip this house, once the house that we're working on, we sell, then what? Do we buy another one and do it again? Do we build for ourselves? Do we just
Do you think there's any more homes in Logan with meth, termites, sinking foundation, and
rot it out?
Floor joists and dog urine throw? I mean, do you think we can find any more gems like that?
Maybe. I mean, if you look hard enough.
Sniff hard enough. Found one.
Oh, we just don't know what the plan is after this. I mean, we're like in the middle of like the shiz.
This is still
storm.
going for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't think a day goes by that we're not like, we love doing YouTube. I'll never stop.
Can't stop, won't stop.
If you can't, you can't. If you can, you can. What did sorry,
No,
what did
the saying is, if you say you can,
you're right.
if you say you can't,
You're right. If you say you can, you're right. If you say you can't, you're right. Allie Glines told us that one.
Take that gem and think on it for a while, huh?
You just take that and think about that for a minute.
Yeah,
We'll close the vlog here.
with that.
You think about that for a
Go
minute.
think about what you just heard.
Think about it. Think about it.
Take your brain, open it up.
Okay, say bye,
Listen to it.
lady.